Hey everyone, I had a question from Wayne. He wants to know where the serial number is on the engine on the backhoe. Well, here's the serial number on the backhoe itself. And then the engine serial number on the Case 4390s and on the Cummins is generally right here, or maybe here, but it's right here. And your tag may be missing on yours. If this is like, shiny aluminum looking color, there's a very good chance that the cover cracked and somebody replaced that. They didn't transfer the tag over. And mine is basically unlegible the way it looks. Something was rubbing right in here, so you can hardly see the numbers. These front covers tend to be different for different injection pumps. There's some that might work with, certain pumps back and forth, but it's generally different for different pumps. Right here, that's your accessory drive. That's where air compressor or hydraulic pump or something like that would drive off of. And mine's missing it right now, but the air conditioner would mount right here. Well, hopefully that helps you guys out. As far as reading them, deciphering them, a Cummins one you can look up on their website. The Case ones I'm not sure about. Well guys, thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.
You want to run them?